Good morning, students. Today we will study lesson 4, word processor mail merge. So in this chapter we will study mail merging, creating mail merge document, creating recipients list, inserting merge fields, viewing merge data, printing the letters. Okay. So in this chapter we will study about this thing. So what is mail merge feature? So this mail merge feature of Microsoft Word is used to combine data source which contains address of all the recipients with the main document. Okay, it saves our time and energy to send letter at multiple addresses. So whenever we are sending the letters, okay, to the multiple addresses, same letter we want to send to the multiple peoples, okay, to the multiple person. So at the time, if you do it manually one by one, you have to type the address and you have to send it. But I want that I have the already address is written, and from that address I have to pick the address of each person and I have to send the same letter to the each person. So it is possible by the help of mail merge process. Okay, word processor mail merge. So how we will do it? So let's see. First of all, there is a one term I have used, data source. So data source is that means in this data source consists of mailing list. The data is organized in tabular form along with the field names, for example name, address, city, pin, telephone number. So this is the one of the this is the my data source. This you can see, this table is the data source. Okay, in this table you can see name are there, address there, city there, pin, telephone and their name, and this is the data source, means the name, address and all there, all details are there. So this is my data source. Okay, the data source is associated with the main document so that its field name can be used in main document and it became easy to merge address with the main document. Okay, so what is this data source? Actually it is arranged in the tabular form, and this data source is associated with the main document. Why? Because it became easy to merge address with the main document. Got it? Okay, next is main document. Main document, it contains the text that we wish to send the recipients, means here this is the your this one main document, it is your letter actually. Okay, this is your letter or text where you are writing the letters, main sheet where you have written the all the details, means document you have written like letter. Next after merge field. Merge field, it is a data item such as name, address, city, pin, etc., which instructs Microsoft Word about when to insert the data source name, address information in the main document. So this is about the inserting the data. Okay, so mail merge involves three basic steps. So what are the steps? Merge field means we will merging the data source and main document, because in the main document, suppose this is the my, here I just see, I will show you. Suppose this is your document, you have written your letter like something dear, all that. Okay, this is your letter, and all the time here is your address box, and suppose the date is there. All the time this address should be changed, but this content, this letter should be same. So for this particular, you can see this letter part only, this letter part is your main document, this is your main document. Okay, and this tabular form where we write in the one portion, there I write only all the details like their address, name, city, pin. This is your data source, okay. So whenever we will combine this data source to this address, means to this main document, in the main document, when this data source, from data source we will take some data for the we will take the address, actually this address we will take to the main document for the sending mails. This process is called merge field. Okay, so we will merging here from this data source to this main document. Okay, so there involves three basic steps. So that is step we will study. That is steps are, first step is that creating main document. Okay, specify data source, merging data source with the main document, as we have done here. This is, we have done one, we have to create one main document, one data source, and in this data source from here we will merge some address of the people here, and this merging process will be done. Got it? Okay. Next is creating a mail merge document. So how we will create it? To create the mail merge document, the steps are: create a new document and type a letter or open an existing letter in a Microsoft Word. Means at the time you will type or you will open, means already that is written, so that we will open that. So first of all we have to click on the mail merge tab, where we will click mail merge tab. So first step is that we have to click on the mail merge tab in the start mail merge group. Okay, here this is the, actually here we have to click, this is the icon for this start mail merge. Here you will click, here is the drop down arrow, and here you will see there are options like letter. You can see there are options like letters, email message, envelope, label, directory, normal word, and step by step mail words wizard. So we will select this one. So first we will select this one, and here we will select this step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, this is my second step. Okay, this is my first step and this is our second step. Now next we will, third step is here. Then third step, mail merge task pane will appear. Okay, when we will select that step by step mail merge wizard, this task pane will be, you can see this mail merge task pane will appear. This mail merge, here you can see, here you have to select the third step, this letters part we will select. Okay, now we will select this letters. Got it? Now this is third step. Now third thing we have done. Okay, now then after what we will do, then after selecting these letters, then you will see here actually total how many steps are total in this wizard, 1 to 6. Okay, now after selecting this we will you can see here, once you click on here letter, then you have to click on here next starting document. First you click on here this radio button, then you can click on the next starting radio button. Okay, this when you will click on this next starting button, you can see here, then after you will see here how do you want to set up your letters. Use current document, start from template, or start using existing. It means that at the time you want to write, use the current document, already it is written on this page, actually you are on currently, or already it is defined one from the computer template one, or that letter is existing is there, means that document is already that is written, you want to take from your computer. So we will write now, we will use this one, use the current document. So this is my fourth step. Okay, fourth, use the current document. Okay, next what we will do, again we will click on the select recipients. We will not, if you want to go if you want to move to the last page, means suppose in the last, earlier you want to move, previous step you want to go, so you can select this one, but we will not select this one, we will move forward, so we will select this one. Next, that is select recipients. Okay, actually how many steps we have to follow? Total 6 are there, so this is only second. So now this is my fourth step. Now click on the select recipient. So here we will select the recipient, means we will select the addresses. So now for creating, so we will select the recipient means we will select the addresses of the people to whom we want to send. For that we have to create the recipient list. So now we will click on the type new list, where we will click on the type new list. This is my, it was my fourth step. Now here I will do the fifth one. Okay, type a new list means we will generate our new list, means I will write now I will write the addresses of all the people. If it is already there, means already in your computer it is available, so you can choose this one, choose existing, this one, first one. Otherwise from the Outlook you want to import, so you can select Outlook contacts. So okay, so now if I don't have, I am the new, so I will use this one, a type a new list. So how we will do this one? So new address, so you can see here new address list dialog box will appear, screen for here. Okay, now click on the customize column button, and whenever you will click on type a new list, what you have to do now, you have to here click on here create. Okay, now you have to click on the create. First you will select this one, type a new list, means you will type a new list. Okay, then after you have to create, already now you have to create it. Okay, so now here we will create. So that here I will, this type of dialog box will appear, this type of tabular form, name, address and all that. In this field we have to write all the name data, means like name, address, phone number and all that, means we are generating the address book. Okay, so this will first you select here type a new list, and then after create. Okay, so when you will click on the create, you will see this dialog box. You can see here this dialog box. In this dialog box you will see like this type of new address list. Okay, so here what you have to select, here you have to go on to the new entry, because you are entering the new addresses. So click on the new entry. Okay, so whenever you will click the new entry, so that we will study. So first, and also these things you must know about this fact file. Okay, then after we will study about the creating recipients. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. Okay, so what is field? It contains one type of data. Which type of data? One type of information. So that is called field. Field means they have the one type of information. Okay, next is record. Record is a row on data sheet that number of field makes one record. So whenever we combine number of fields, so number of fields make one record. Okay, so what is field? Field is a one type of information, and there are many fields when combined, then become number of fields makes one record. Okay, then next, press tab. Okay, tab key to move between field while typing the information. When we want to move between the field, we want to switch between the fields, so we can use this key, tab. Got it? Okay, so we can generate our recipient list by the help of Word database file, or by the help of Excel also we can generate, or by the help of Microsoft Access, and by the help of Outlook we can also import the mails and address also. So now we are studying about how to create this recipient list. So once this window will appear, you can records for your friend and relative. So you can see here 4 records they have entered 1 2 3 Thakur, Raghav and all that. Okay, you can give save address list. Okay, once when you will click on the entry tab, you can see here in the last new entry, whenever you will click on here new entry, you will get the option like here title, first name, last name, and these options you will get here to insert the, then after you will get the option to insert these fields. Okay, then after you will, once you will fill it, then after what you have to do, you have to save your address. Once you will save address by the name of your file, like specify the file name, and that you can see this file name will save with this extension .mdb. You can see this is the .mdb. So this mail merge recipients data source will be created. After that you want to edit it also, means suppose some mistakes you have done, to change any detail you can select the data source and click on the edit button. So that is also possible, you can do it. Okay, click on the data source and you can click on the edit. Okay, so then after you can edit it also, means you can change some addresses. Okay, so once your data source is over, means all the fields you have filled it. Okay, then after now click on the next write to your letter wizard, so that you will get here. First of all this list is over, then click on the OK. Okay, when you will click on the OK, then after next here is that you can see here this step you have to follow. Already this step you have followed, then you come to on here, and here is also, yeah, here now this is the fifth step we are on the. Now here you have to click on the next write your letter. So here now you will click. Once your receipt list is created, your data source is created, then after next write your letter. So then after you will come here. Okay, now this is step, place the cursor at the position where you want to insert the record. Means suppose this is your letter, already you have created, got it. Here you have written all the text. Okay, but here this is the field for writing address. Okay, so and this is my address book. Okay, this is my address book, and from this address book one by one each person's data I want to enter here, means address I want to insert here. Now that process we will do here now. So that process is actually how you will do. So first of all what you have to do, on the mailing tab click on the insert merge field, click on the insert merge field button in the right and insert field group. Okay, now what we have to select, insert merge field. What we will select, insert merge field. Okay, the insert merge field dialog box will appear with list of field name you have created. So whatever name I have created here in this database, that will be display over here. Okay, so you can see this, yeah, you can see it here. This in this name, title, last name, all these things it will be display here. Now this here you can see, now this is the my letter, this is my main document I have created. Okay, and now in this document I have to insert here first name and the last name. This is the address, city, and this one, because generally these things will change, first name, address, city, and this part will be as it is, this part will be same only. So no need to change, only we will change it here. To change it there, I will insert here. So I will write it exactly, I will write here exactly what I will write exactly with the same name. So what is that, first I want to write here first name. So you can see I will write here first name, this name you can see first name is there, this first name I will write here. So this will insert here. Okay, so and this will be inside the double angle bracket. So first name double angle bracket, last name double angle bracket, address line double angle bracket. Okay, address line 1 is there, city is there. Okay, here is title and the last name. So for that what is the process? Process is click on the field name that you intend to add. Okay, that you intend to add, and then click insert button. Similarly, insert other field name. Okay, so for this, and then after close button, you will notice that selected field name appear in the main document. Okay, so you can see here. Now here in the this you can see in this between this angle bracket I write this first name, last name, address, city, title, and all that. Then after what I did, one by one I just do it insert. I just click on this insert, and then after what happened, you will see here. You can see here this one. Now that all, now in the place of first name like Mona Thakur come, first and second name, sorry, first and last name. Then after address line it come. There is city was there. You can see whatever here is city it was. So that all came here. Now but it is changed by the actual value, like here Mrs. Thakur. So this will come to your main document. And one thing you must notice here, see here is that you want to preview, means how your letter look like. So you can see here preview results. So you can, and here is that button for the last, previous, last, next, previous. Okay, so you can move, means there are many people are there. Suppose 100 addresses you have entered, so you can see one by one how many peoples are there, their addresses, like that you can move and see that. So this preview, by this preview button you can see it. Okay, so here you can just see here how many fields, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there. So this from here, this all 7 fields we have used, means this is our data source. This is actually insert merge field. It will, from here it will be inserted. Okay, so whenever it will be inserted from here in this your main document, that will be display over here. Okay, that will be display over in the preview. Okay, then it is once over, your preview is okay, means you are satisfied with the your preview, your document. Then after next step we will go for the printing letters. So printing letters is nothing but, lastly what you have to do here is that click on the last step, click on the finish and merge. There is a one tab, finish and merge. The finish group on the mail merge tab, mailing tab, print document will option. So here is that, click on this finish and there is the option print document. Okay, so now print document. Then next complete the merge wizard under the step 5 of 6. Okay, so last step we will complete it, that is the click on the next complete merge wizard. Okay, so this is the last step in the task pane of print option under the merge section. So after that merge to print dialog box will appear. So that printing box will appear, printing dialog box, define the desired printing setting and okay. So now this is my last step, finish and merge, and there is a print document. And then after all the that my letters to the how many peoples I want to send, suppose 100 data source I have created, 100 receipt names I have created. So 100 that pages will come out, in the 100 letters will come out. Okay, so this is about the mail merge features. Okay, now in 2007 providers were 2007 provides similar option to create mail merge document by selecting start mail merge option. Okay, in the mailing tab. So it was available in 2007. Okay, so this is about the recap. So once again you read this chapter, okay, and try to practice it. Okay, thank you.